Hey everyone, need to boot a Windows installer from a Ventoy USB drive. A Ventoy makes the process much easier because you don't have to recreate your bootable USB every time you use a different Windows ISO. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to boot Windows from Ventoy step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure Ventoy is already installed on your USB drive. Then copy your Windows ISO file directly onto the Ventoy drive. You don't need to extract the ISO or use any additional software. Next, safely eject the USB drive and connect it to the computer where you want to boot Windows. If you're installing Windows, make sure any important files on the target computer have already been backed up. Now restart the computer and open the boot menu. The required key depends on your computer manufacturer and is often one of the function keys, the escape key or the delete key. Select the Ventoy USB drive from the list. When the Ventoy menu appears, you'll see every ISO file stored on your USB drive. Use the keyboard to highlight your Windows ISO and press Enter. Ventoy will begin loading the Windows installer directly from the ISO file. After the Windows installer loads, choose your preferred language, keyboard layout, and region if prompted. Then continue through the Windows setup process by following the on-screen instructions. From here, you can install Windows, repair an existing installation, or access troubleshooting tools, depending on the version of Windows and the options you choose. Just be careful when selecting installation options to avoid accidentally erasing important data. And that's how to boot Windows from Ventoy. With Ventoy, you can keep multiple Windows versions and other bootable tools on a single USB drive, making installations and system recovery much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.